Hello, another video for Cantonese learning. This time we talks about time words. This is very good practice. Helps us to express as much as we can. With this video, you can also practice those words with flashcards. Remember to go to the link, Cantonese Home Flashcards. Then join the flashcards group. Then you can use the flashcard as you want. Let's start the content today. We have a very good table here. Past, present, 過去, 現在, future, 將來, 年, 月, 星期, 日. Okay, starting from here. 今日, 琴日, 前日, 今日, 聽日, 後日, 今個星期 or 呢個星期, 上個星期. So this romanization is 粵拼. 再上個星期, the week before last week. 下個星期, 再下個星期. 今個月, 呢個月. 上個月, 再上個月, 下個月, 再下個月. 今年, 舊年, or you can say 上年, 前年, the year before last year. 出年, next year, 2022, 出年. 後年. This one, it can be 下年, just like 下個月, 下年. There's some kind of tonal change. 下年 with the 年, the year. Okay, so this one is easy. Month. 1月2月 11月 12月. This one is Yale system. 星期 or 禮拜. So you may ask why 禮拜? 禮拜 is like more religious reason. 禮拜 is to do to attend a sermon or mass in a Catholic church or a Protestant church. Monday 星期一, 禮拜一. 星期日, 禮拜日. Most students makes a little bit difficult with the Monday and Sunday. So remember Sunday, the end of a week, according to this table. So it's a lower tone. 一, remember always, one is always high tone. 一, 星期一, 星期日, 星期日. "上個月, 上個月. 呢個月, 下個月. 一個月. If you do not know how to understand what the H mean, it means a lower tone, normally number 4, and sometimes with an indicator, it will be tone 5 or 6. So you can go back to one of the video, the very early video about shopping. I talked about the romanization and the indicator of this Yale system. 禮拜, 上個禮拜, 呢個禮拜, 下個禮拜, 一個禮拜, 1 week. 好啦。 question. So this would be the time word always go in front of the verb. It's always. 佢禮拜三去灣仔。佢幾時去灣仔啊？幾時 is replace the time words when. 佢幾時去灣仔啊？好。第日、琴日、今日、聽日、一日、晚 one night, last night, 琴晚 or some people would say 尋晚 they are equivalent. 今晚、聽晚、一晚。上個 last 上個星期，呢個星期，下個 next one 下個月 next month 日 it's very easy. Okay, let's move on with the exercise here. Tomorrow is Friday. 聽日係星期五。Okay, I'll give you some time to think. Don't look at this. 係啦 Today is Monday. 今日係禮拜三，sorry 禮拜一或星期一。Alright. 尋日係禮拜日。When you follow my video, you can kind of follow the audio, so it helps speaking as well. Okay, so this one is a bit small. Hope you won't mind. So I'll go to Central tonight. Remember, put the time word before the verb. So go to 去 so that would be 今晚去 OK 今晚去我今晚去中環 OK so there's quite a lot of questions you can go through on your own and I will read the answer 佢哋聽晚唔會去中環尋晚有好多人 Okay, so this case would be a little bit special. 係啦，尋晚有好多人 Okay, still the time words is before the verb. Last month was May. 上個月係5月，下個月係7月，呢個月係11月。Okay, so time we talk about this in the previous video. This is just an review. 5 minutes 一個字，8點1、8點3、8點半、8點7、8點8、8點9、8點11。依家幾多點啊？依家幾多點啊？依家係10點3。朝早、晏晝、夜晚。朝早食早餐，晏晝食午餐，夜晚食晚餐。朝早9點，晏晝2點半，夜晚7點。點分而家、朝早、晏晝、夜晚。Okay, so this one they are all easy. 3點、4點半、6點2、 7點11，朝早9點，晏晝 or 下午2點8，夜晚7點3。So anytime after 6 o'clock, that is 夜晚. Okay, so if it is 5:45, then it is 下午5點9. Alright, so that's the end of this video. If you want to practice a little bit more with flashcards, you can go to this website through this link. Okay, so show you a little bit what you would see. Okay, so you choose beginner Cantonese. Okay, so you will get this scales challenge. I have this for my students as well, so they learn gradually. Besides the textbook, there will be some challenge for them, which is very useful. Phrases, time words, etc. Sentence structure. So you will see there's a lot of flashcards, 40 of them. Some of them are quite difficult, so you won't get from other books. So this one is 凌晨. So I kind of created with one of my students, which is quite interesting, the characters. Like the words here, 凌晨, so in midnight. And I love this one, 天蒙光. So it's the dawn. 天蒙光. Mong is the bird. 天蒙光. 天蒙光. Okay, so hope you like it. So 全日,成日. That will be so different. This is whole day, 成日. And we also have 晏啲,晏少少. So 出年. Okay, so please give me some like if you like this video, and also it can be a way for you to remember which video you have watched. Thank you.